What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you step by step on how to draw Hawkeye. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page and drawing the upper eyelid. We'll leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and we'll bend that out towards the left. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing, going up and then bending that out. Let's go back to the inside and curl up the brow. On the left, we're going to bend this in and then up, and then do the same thing on the right. Now from here, we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the eyelid. On the left side, let's step in, draw a circle, going all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and just pull that up towards the inside of the brow. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now you want to add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So let's start on the top left, come all the way around, and just pull that up underneath the eyelid. Now you want to line this up over on the right. So we'll start on the inside, coming down, and just pull that up. Now you want to trace the outside of the eye along the inside, going in behind the highlight. So start underneath, just leave a gap all the way around, and just pull that up. Do the same thing on the right, going all the way around. And it'll fill the center of the pupils in black. Now we're going to move back to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Let's start over on the left. Curve the nose coming down and then up. Now I'm going to move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now on the side of the nose, draw a short angled line coming down and out. Now move down and draw the mouth. On the left, go up and then down. And then in the center, we'll step down, draw a straight line going across the lower lip. Now from here we move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's move out, curve the head coming down, just round this out across the chin, and just bend that back up towards the right side, going up towards the same height. Now I'm going to work our way up towards the top of the hairline. Starting back on the left, go up, around the eye and bend that in, and bend this out and back in towards the top. Now you want to work our way back towards the center. On the left, bend this up, and then come down in the middle, go up and then back down on the right. Now I want to add a scar on the left side of the cheek. Start from the top, angle this down and in, go back up to the top, just going to round this out and pull that in. Now let's add in the eyebrows. Starting from the bottom point of the brow, curve this up, across the eye, and then out. Do the same thing on the right. And then from the end, I'm just going to taper this so it gets wider, and then come back in. And we'll fill the eyebrows in black. Let's move out to the side and draw in the ears. We're going to start on the top left, curve the ear going up, round this out, and just pull that in towards the side of the head. Let's line this up on the right. Going up, come around, and then bend that in. Let's add a fold along the top, going up and then out. Let's go back to the inside and add a hook, going around and in. Now from here we can draw on the top of the hair. Let's start from the top right side, curve this up, and go across towards the left, and we'll bend that up towards the top. Let's bend this back down, coming down and then in. And we'll add another point. From this top point, we'll step down, go out and up, bring this down and in. Now along the side, we're just going to add another fold, going out and in, and we'll do that one more time. Coming around, just aiming toward the top left side of the head. Let's add some texture. From the center, bend this around, and then up, move over, draw that again. Now you want to close off the side of the head. Starting on the left, bend this out, and then down. Let's line this up on the right. Going out, and down. And then from here, just going to bend this down, and then in on top of the ears. Now let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the collar, starting over on the left, curve down, and then back up towards the right. Now from the top of those curves, we're going to angle this down and out towards the side of the body. Let's work our way down towards the hip. On the left, bend this out, straight down. Now you want to connect the hips with a curve, coming down the middle, and then back up. From the left hip, let's step up and draw that same curve. And we'll add 2 belt loops on either side. On the left, draw 2 straight lines coming down, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. And now we're going to add some more detail to the center of the body. Starting from the top, angle this down and in towards the center. And then we'll move in, just follow the same curve of the body, going out and then down towards the belt. From these 2 points, step down, just draw 2 straight angle lines coming in towards the center of the body. Now I'm going to move down, draw a line coming down and in on the side. And then we'll continue to work our way down towards the bottom of the feet. In the center, let's step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leaving a small gap in the center, let's go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's curve the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend the foot, going down and then back up towards the toe. And then from the outside of the foot, we're going to curve the top. Let's start on the left. Bend this up. I'm just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. We want to leave a gap on the inside. Now we want to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Let's start with the left. Bending this out and then come down on top of the feet. Let's add that thick sole along the bottom of the feet. So we'll take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. Now from the top of the foot, we're going to step up from the outside of the leg, curve down, and then up across the top of the boot. Now from here, we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left, holding the bow. From the top of the body, we're going to step up underneath the head, bend the arm, coming down, and then out towards the wrist. Now from the wrist, we're going to curl around the thumb. Start by going up, then the thumb coming down. Round up the tip of the thumb, and bend that back up. Let's just draw a curve coming in for the palm. Now you want to wrap 3 fingers along the outside. Let's start from the side of the thumb with a half oval, going out and in. Now from the bottom, we'll do that again, going around and then up underneath the thumb. And we'll do that one more time. Now from here, we want to place the bow in behind the hand. Let's start from the top left, bend this up and then out. Come down toward the bottom, come down and then out. Let's flatten off the top and bottom with a straight angle line coming in. And pull this down with a straight line in behind the fingers. Now you want to simplify the bow. Starting from this point, you go up and just bend that in. Let's go to the bottom and draw that same length curve coming in. Now from the tip, we just want to make our way down towards this point. So we're going to bend this out, come down, and just hook that in. And I'll connect this point to the bottom with a straight angled line. Now with the bow in place, we can finish off the arm. Let's start with the cuff, starting from the wrist, go all the way around, and go out in behind the bow. Now from the bottom of the palm, bend the arm coming in and then up towards the side of the body. Now you want to line up the inside of the arm over on the right side, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Now I'm going to be drawing a glove around the right hand, so I want to separate the thumb by connecting these 2 points with a curve. Let's go to the bottom of the thumb, draw on the first finger, and come down, and then up. And we'll add 2 more fingers. Stepping down, go out, and up. And then the third finger, just going to blend this into the arm, and bend this in underneath the head. Let's separate the wrist. Start from the top of the thumb, then it's up and out, step up and draw that again. Now from the inside of the arm along the bottom, we're going to add a trim. Then we bend this up and then out. From the inside of the arm, let's step up, curve out, and then down towards the cuff. Do the same thing on the left. Now I'm going to add a strap across the shoulders. Start from this point, then it's up and out. And step up and draw that again. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. This is our cartoon illustration of Hawkeye. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.